Is Mira Organics Pain Relief Cream the real deal or just another internet scam? I've spent hours combing through consumer reviews, expert opinions, and official information, so you don't have to. Let's dive in. First off, the ingredient list sounds promising. We're talking magnesium, arnica, MSM, chamomile, and even frankincense. All the things you see on legit pain relief products. The lotions marketed for nerve discomfort, joint pain, and those super annoying restless legs. But here's where it gets sketchy. While some users say it eased their pain or helped them sleep, just as many report zero effect. I'm talking absolutely nothing for neuropathy or aching muscles. And that's not even the biggest issue. The biggest red flag? Customer service. People are sending emails about non-delivery, asking for refunds, and getting total silence. Imagine ordering relief for your pain, and all you get is radio silence in your inbox. Not cool. It gets worse. Some buyers never even receive their orders. Others describe a weird burning or agony after applying the cream. Plus, if you try leaving a negative review on the company's website, good luck. Many claim their reviews never made it live. Now, Mira Organics advertises heavily on social media, and the brand isn't BBB accredited. That matters, because it means there's no trusted third party holding them accountable. Here's the bottom line. The ingredients themselves can help with mild pain, but don't expect a miracle. And don't expect honest, prompt service. If you're still curious, buy through somewhere like Amazon UK, where you're protected if things go wrong. So, is Mira Organics Pain Cream a scam? The product's not totally bogus, but the company's business practices? Pretty questionable. My advice, proceed with caution. And always talk to your doctor before starting any new treatment.